Poinsettias as a cut flower? Yes, yes, yes. They're fabulous and long-lasting. And this design, foam-free of course, will last throughout the season. The poinsettias, they were cut from a plant. They've been treated. You can see the full instructions on poinsettia care and handling on the YouTube channel. But they've been seared, they're ready to design with. The mechanics, floral netting taped in, fresh water with flower food. Then the cones have all been done with the dogleg wire. I used 18 gauge wire, and they can just then feed into the floral netting. I've got both ponderosa pine and white pine, which are oh so big and glorious. And they just all set right in, ready for the designing. The foliage, I prepared it ahead of time, stripping down the needles. So all I need to do is shave it off a bit and then set it right in. As always, using 3 different varieties: pine, a little bit of Douglas fir, and some beautiful cone cedar. I'm letting it drape out, breaking the line of the container. Once the poinsettias have been sealed, you don't want to cut them again. So I had cut them to the length that I wanted, sealed, and now I can just arrange, placing them down in, making sure they're deep into the water. To enhance, adding a little deeper shade, going to the burgundy red. You can use carnations, cutting them down, adding a little intensity of color, placing it in. Maybe a little bit of the Piaris, has such beautiful berries on it. Breaking it down and sliding it right in, helping to break the line of the container. Finding the perfect hole. There we go. And for added texture, kangaroo paw, letting it come out a little taller over the top, lightening the design. The recipe, 3 types of evergreen foliage: pine, Douglas, and cedar. Pine cones, as many as you can get your hands on. We love pine cones. Then 4 blooms from a poinsettia plant, 4 stems of the kangaroo paw, 9 of the carnations, and a bit of Pieris, about half a bunch. Isn't it beautiful? Poinsettias come in so many fabulous colors. You could make this arrangement to match any decor. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Find your favorite color poinsettia. Be sure to treat them, singe the ends, and create a design. And take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.